The goals of this lesson are to help the students learn a couple math vocabulary words, digits, which are different than the actual number, the digits in the number, and the word sum, which is the answer to an addition problem. So to use this Jamboard, you go over the vocabulary with the student, and then it will also reinforce their multiplication of 9s. A lot of kids know the little finger trick where you put one finger down, but you also want them to know, and this only works with 9s, the pattern of you take the number you're multiplying by 9, like 4 times 9. 1 less than 4 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So have the student go through each one of these and show them that pattern where you take 1 less than the number and then think about what do you add to that number to get 9. So like 6 times 9, 1 less than 6 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And you can give them edit rights so that they can write the answers in. If they have trouble doing that, just have them tell you. And this reinforces mental math to think of what do I add to this number to get 9. 1 less than, you might need to say that different ways, like what number comes before. And then point out the pattern and talk about the pattern of that. If you read down, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and read up once you've got the answers written there. And then have them add the digits of each answer. And what they'll find is that the digits always add up to 9, which they should recognize that that's how they got the answers. So the digits all add up to 9. So you can talk about this and talk about patterns and then move on to the next slide and tell them you're going to work them through what seems like magic, but it's not really magic. It's math. But if you don't understand the patterns, people think you're doing some sort of magic trick. So you have them do this, where you have them choose a number between 0 and 10. And then whatever number they chose, tell them don't tell you what it is, but multiply that number times 9. And if you might flip back to here so that they can see the answer to their number multiplied by 9 if you feel like you need to. And then have them add the digits of the number together. Well, they may realize at this point those digits are going to add to 9 because whenever you multiply by 9, the digits add to 9. And then using the vocabulary words, digit and sum, tell them remember the sum. And then subtract 5 from that sum. And then go to this slide and tell them find the letter that goes with your number and give them some different examples. Like if your number is 2, it's B. If it's 3. But at this point, everybody has a 4 because everybody's digits added to 9 no matter what. And so when they subtracted 5, everybody's got a 4. So everybody's got D. But you don't point this out until you're done. And then ask them which pet starts with your letter. And of course, it's dog. And then the second letter of your pet, choose a color that starts with the second letter of your pet. And of course, it's orange. And then show them this slide and say, choose a fruit that starts with the last letter of your pet. And then go here, are you thinking about an orange dog eating grapes? And then go back through and explain why it works. That because of the pattern, that no matter what number anybody chose when they multiplied by 9, the sum of the digits is 9. And so everybody in this magic trick, no matter what number, when they added their digits together, everybody's got a 9. But most people don't think about that, and they wonder, how could you have known what pet I chose? But anyway, it's kind of fun for the kids. Anybody can do it. You can help them if at the places where they need help, and then talk about why it works, and that reinforces vocabulary, reinforces their multiplication of the 9s, and it helps them discover this pattern.